In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can highlight a part of your Excel, whether it be in a column or a row. I'm going to show you guys how you can highlight it. So to highlight it means to give it a color, something like that. That's the meaning, nothing complicated. So let me show you guys how to do this. So you can see this, my mouse here. So I just need to drag it from here to here. If I want to highlight this section, if I want to highlight this section too as well, I need to drag it from here to here. So now let me show you guys practically. So let's do the first one from here to here, something like this. Good. So you long press your mouse, your left button, and then you drag like you're trying to highlight something on a PC, on Word or WordPad, anything like that. After that, you choose the color here. So there are a lot of colors here. You can, opt for this. That's you're going to get a lot of colors, but then let's choose these ones. Yellow is okay. Yeah, we have a black color, so yellow is okay. So let's say you choose red, and then your text is not, showing well. You can also change the color of your text. You can see this here. Let me do a yellow. Good. Sorry, I needed to select the text. So Ctrl+A. Now let me try making it yellow. And that should change. Yeah. So let me try revert that. It's not nice. I think the yellow was okay. Sorry, let me do it once again. Good. So we are done with the first section. So now let's try highlight. Let's say from here to here, you get it. So let's try doing that. So let's say we want to highlight the unsubscribed, free, and then Ghana Cedi 0. Good. So that line we highlight there. So let's not do it a single line. Let's do like 3 lines. Good. 3 lines. And now let's come here. Now let's try and make it green. Good. So now we have this here. So that's it on how you can highlight a text on Excel. It's simple and easy. You can highlight a row, a column, anything of your choice. Even if it's a single cell, you can highlight it. It's simple and easy. You'll be using this colors here. You get it. And this is for the text here, text colors. And this is for the highlighting colors. Sorry, that's a mistake. So that's it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you guys an answer. And I have a playlist of Excel. You can watch a lot of tutorials on Excel, from the easiest things to the toughest stuff. So that's it for the video. Peace.